Hello everyone, and today we're cooking mushrooms. So for the ingredients we need ground beef, carrots, mushrooms, green onions, pasta of any kind, salt and pepper. Next, we need to chop mushrooms, carrots and prepare meatballs. Next, heat up an olive oil. Next, cook carrots and mushrooms until they're golden. Next, put meatballs in boiling water and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes is up, add pasta and mushrooms. Cook for another 7 minutes until pasta is ready. Add the green onions at the end. Enjoy!